here that there is a carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Which are we have seen? Carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. So there is three different types of animal exist, and on the basis of what the food that they eat, so three different types of animal exist on the basis of food habit. The one is herbivores, that they used to eat plants, omnivores, that they used to eat meat, flesh, chicken, all everything, and as well as plants. So omnivores eat both. Carnivores eat only animals, that is meat. So herbivores are animals that eat only plants. How to remember? Only you have to. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants, and carnivores are animals that eat only meat, and omnivores are the animals that eat both plants and meat. Here you can see that elephant is in a what it's in a kind of, what you can say, that herbivores, grasses, some leaves that they used to eat. Here it is dog eats all, it is a carnivore, but आज के डेट में pet dogs are there and they are eating also omnivores they become, but especially the nature has provided dog to eat meat, so there is a carnivore. The cow is an herbivores, and there is a rabbit, it is a herbivores, and mouse eat grains as well as some small animals also small. And carnivores, like that owl is a carnivore, eat flesh. And here it is, that the bear, if you are talking about bear eats also honey, other foods and animals also, plants, meat also, so it is an omnivore. And herbivores, it is an squirrel is what? Herbivores. Now let us see in your book, have a look again at the table 1.5 and group the animals entered here as follows. तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि उसमें ग्रुपिंग करेंगे, और यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? यस, देर इज एन, यू कैन से देर इज एन हॉर्स, या, and there is a yak type of animal, there is a rabbit, there is a giraffe, there is an elephant, there is an yes sir, I'm just forgetting the name of it, just check it out beta. I said the place the animals which eat only plants or plant products in the group 1 and these are called herbivores. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग herbivores देख रहे हैं, ये आपको देखेंगे तो ये केवल आपका व्हाट दे आर ईटिंग, केवल आपको लीव्स या प्लांट्स के पार्ट ही खाते हैं. एनिमल्स, एलिफेंट आप जान रहे क्या खा रहे हैं, और हॉर्सेस क्या खा रहे हैं आपको, याक भी ग्रासेस खाएंगे, रैबिट्स भी ग्रासेस, ये लीव्स एंड ग्रासेस खाएंगे, जिराफ. सो दीज आर हर्बीवोर्स. दोज हु आर ईटिंग एनिमल्स, दोज आर ईटिंग प्लांट्स ओनली, इट इज herbivores. So there are some animals which eat other animals, these are known as carnivores, you know that. And इसको आप अपना कहाँ रख देंगे अपने बुक्स में, ग्रुप 2 में. एंड दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड कार्निवोर्स, दोज हु आर ईटिंग एनिमल्स ओनली, या. एंड here you can see that it is like lion, there is an, I said that fox, jackal, tiger, shark, these are what? Carnivores, and they eat only animals or meat, they eat only meat or animals. And here let us see in the next activity, do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals, and we have to place them in the group 3rd, and these are called omnivores. These are called omnivores. Yes, here you can see that there are some kind of, what I said, that monkey, bear, that is an fox and dog, they are omnivores, and these are what put into the group 3. and आपको इसको टेबल 1.6 में ग्रुप 3 में आप कॉलम में रखें. So here we have seen the table 1.6, and here it is first herbivores. We have to see herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. And under the herbivores we have, yes, cow, just list it, buffalo, butterfly, you know that butterfly only eats nectar of the flower, but buffalo आप जान रहे what they eat. Buffalo eats hay, some oil cakes, some kind of what I said that other grasses and all they are eating. Squirrels are herbivores, rabbits are herbivores, and under the carnivores, if you see carnivores, in the carnivores, the important is what lion, cats, you know, spider. Cats is an itself. Sometimes cats you can put into the omnivores also because they used to take milk and all. But here, in according to this book, you have to take into because it eats small animals, small rats, small mouses and all. House lizard, it is also eating insects and all. Owl eating also meat. So these are what carnivores in the table. And here we have omnivores. Those eats plants and animals also. The dog eats plants and animals. Rat, human being, crow, dog, means fox वगैरह you can say here it is. So these are the what the group has been created, group 1, group 2 and group 3.